if you're looking for a really great organic bread flour, I'm going to share with you in this video why I chose the Polselli brand. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of bread making tutorials on my YouTube channel as well as my Amazon storefront. So I recently purchased the Niretva 3.3 pound bread machine, and this thing is so awesome. This is the largest capacity bread maker that I found online, which is really exciting because now I can meal prep large sandwich loaves. I can even meal prep dough and pizza dough and all kinds of things in this bread machine. Now, this isn't my first bread maker. I have several others, including the Elite Gourmet bread maker and the Panasonic bread maker, and I share in my YouTube channel and my Amazon storefront a bunch of different videos using those bread makers, but this is a new purchase that I'm really excited about. So check out my unboxing video as well as my sandwich loaf that I made in this already. But this specific bread machine, the recipes that come with it all request that we use bread flour. Here's an example of the recipes that come with the Niretva bread maker. As you can see, they all call for bread flour. So in other recipes, I actually normally use all-purpose flour, so I was excited to try out using bread flour instead, and I'm really excited with the results. Now, bread flour is different than all-purpose and self-rising flour. Basically, this one is a high-protein type of flour, and it's perfect and ideal for bread making, especially making like artisan loaves and sourdough and things that you want to be really chewy and stretchy. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, I always prefer using organic everything, and especially organic flour, because a lot of the times flour, it has all kinds of random ingredients, and they use a lot of pesticides in non-organic bread flour, which have found, personally, I found that I have allergic reactions to non-organic flour, so that's why I always go for organic. Now, just because it's organic doesn't mean it doesn't have other things added to it. So sometimes flour also has things like enzymes added to it. Sometimes flour is bromated or irradiated. And those are also things that I don't want in my flour, because we eat a lot of flour in our family, and I want to be able to eat it without worrying about what's in the flour. So that's why I was so excited to find the Polselli brand. So this is a 100% Italian organic bread flour. This is a type 1 high extraction wheat flour. It has a protein content of 11.5 to 12.5%, which is really high. It's also non-GMO, and it's high strength, and it's perfect for artisan bread making, and it says it's ideal for sourdough. So check this out. This comes in an 11-pound bag, which is nice because it's a nice big bag, which means I can get a lot of loaves out of it. So be sure to check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this flour and also this bread machine. And be sure to like my YouTube channel and subscribe on Amazon as well for upcoming videos where I share recipes using this Polselli brand organic bread flour. Here's what the flour looks like. It looks really good. And here's a quick comparison between the 365 brand organic bread flour and the Polselli. This is the Polselli bread flour. And this is the 365 brand flour. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.